Institute of Aeronautical Engineering Autonomous. My name is N. Venkat Sai. My roll number is 2395180226. Subject Machine Learning Techniques and Practices. Subject code ACA D20. Topic Enhancing Consumer Agent Modeling through Openness Based Customer Traits and Inverse Clustering. Department Electrical and Electronics Engineering. This is my tech talk. Enhancing consumer agent modeling, openness based traits, and inverse clustering. This presentation explores a groundbreaking approach to consumer agent modeling, leveraging novel openness based consumer traits and an innovative inverse clustering methodology. We aim to revolutionize how business understand and predict consumer behavior, leading to more precious strategies and personalized experience. The challenge limitations of traditional consumer modeling. Static segmentation. Traditional model often rely on static demographic or physiographic segmentation, which fails to capture the dynamic and evolving nature of consumer performances and behaviors. Oversimplified traits. Current frameworks frequently use oversimplified or generic consumer traits, leading to both generalization, the lack of nuances required for truly effective personalization. Lagging indicators. Many models are reactive, focusing on past behaviors rather than predictive insights, making it difficult to anticipate future trends or shifts in consumer demand. Data overload. While data is abundant, extracting meaningful and ignorable insights from vast and complex datasets remains a significant hurdle for many businesses. Introducing openness, a novel traits framework for consumer behavior. Openness defines a set of intrinsic, observable, and actionable consumer traits derived from their interactions and responses within various market stimuli. Unlike traditional physiographics, openness traits are dynamic, reflecting how consumers operate in real-time environmental. Responsive adaptivity. How quickly consumers adjust to new product or market changes. Interaction propensity. Their likelihood and manner of engaging with brands and content. Decision autonomy. The degree of independence in purchasing decisions. Value sensitivity. How different aspects of values, price, quality, ethics influence their choice. Understanding inverse clustering, a powerful data driven approach. Inverse clustering, in contrast to traditional clustering, identifies groups of data points that are least similar to each other or groups of data point that behaves differently from the norm. This approach is particularly effective in uncovering these segments, identifying outliers, and understanding emergent behavior that might be missed by conventional methods. By focusing on exceptions rather than just the rules, inverse clustering provides a richer, more granular understanding for consumer diversity. This technique allows us to pinpoint distinct consumers groups based on their unique openness profiles rather than forcing them into predefined categories. Trait extraction, clustering, consumer by format. Our methodology, integrating openness and inverse clustering, data collection and pre-processing, gathering diverse behavior data from various touch points, websites, interactions, purchase history, social media engagement. Openness trait extraction, applying machine learning algorithms to identify and quantify openness traits from the raw behavior data. Inverse clustering applications, utilizing inverse clustering to group consumers based on the distinctive openness profiles highlighting unique behavior patterns, model validation and refinement, continuously testing and refining the models with new data to ensure accuracy and adaptability to changing market conditions. Case study 1. Personalized product recon- recommendations. Recommendations. Challenge. A leading e-commerce platform struggled with generic recommendations engines, leading to low conversion rate and customer dissatisfaction. Solution. We implement our openness-based inverse clustering models to identify consumers' performance and purchasing behaviors. This allowed for highly personalized recommendations. Results: 25% increase in click-through rates for recommendation products, 18% boost in conversion rates within target consumer segments, significant improvements in customer satisfaction score, reflecting enhanced relevance. Case study 2. Dynamic marketing campaign optimization challenge. A global retail brand forced declining ROI from board marketing campaigns, lacking of ability to tailor messages to deserve consumer groups. Solution: by segmentation their audience using openness traits and inverse clustering, we enable dynamic real-time adjustments to marketing messages and channels, optimizing for each unique clusters. Result: 22% of increase in campaign engagement across various digital channels, 30% reduction in consumer acquisition cost by targeting high propensity segments, improve board predictions, prescriptions due to more relevant and timely communication. Once again, I repeat case studies. Case study 1. Personalized product recommendations. Challenge. A leading e-commerce platforms struggled with generic recommendations engines, leading to low conversion rates and consumers' dissatisfaction. Solution: we implemented our openness-based inverse clustering model to identify enhanced consumer performances and purchasing behaviors. This allowed for highly personalized recommendations. Results: 25% increase in click-through rates for recommended products, 18% boost in conversion rates within targeted customer segments, significant improvement in customer satisfaction scores, reflecting enhanced relevances. Case study 2. Dynamic marketing campaign optimizations challenge. A global retail brand faced declining ROI from board marketing campaigns, lacking the ability to tailor messages to deserve consumer groups. Solution: by segmenting their audience using openness traits and inverse clustering, we enable dynamic real-time adjustments to marketing messages and channels, optimizing for each unique clusters. Result: 22% increase in campaigning engagement across various digital channels, 30% of reduction in customer acquisition cost by targeting high prosperity segments, improve brand perceptions due to more relevant and timely communication. Key findings: significant improvements in predictive accuracy, 30% of high accuracy. Our models achieved up to 30% of high predictive accuracy compared to traditional methods in forecasting consumer actions. 2.5x enhanced personalization. The ability to create 2.5 times more distinct and actionable consumer segments than conventional clustering approaches. 15% increased ROI. Demonstrated an average of 15% of increase in marketing campaign ROI and customers' lifetime value across pilot programs. 60% of reduced churn. Help to identify at risk customers 60% or more effectively, enabling productive relevant strategies. Future directions: expanding openness and applications, depending openness traits, Future research into granular openness traits, incorporating segments analysis and emotional response for richer profiles. Real-time adaptive modeling, developing models that can self-adapt and update consumers' profiles and real-time responding instantly to behavior shifts. Cross-industry expansion, applying openness and inverse clustering in new sectors such as healthcare, finance, and educational for tiered consumer engagement. Ethical AI and transparency, prioritizing ethical considerations and transparency in data use and models interruptions to build consumer trust. Conclusion. Mark. We believe that by embracing openness based traits and inverse clustering, business can unlock unparalleled insights into consumer behavior, driving innovations, personalized and sustained growth. Thank you.